Now I was telling you about how I can add my data. I have added a new record. Is it clear, Shweta?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I have now added a new record. Now what I want to do is I want to save it again. I will again go in the records group and I will click on the save button. It will get saved. Okay. Next, we comes to editing records in a table. Now I have maintained a record. Now what I want to do is I want to edit some record. I want to edit my record in the table. Suppose I am going to edit Bhumi Dikshit name, house number. So Bhumi Dikshit house number, what I will be doing, I will be just clicking on her house number and I will do the editing. Suppose her house number is not 17, her house number is 15. Fine. I will click on enter, then I will press the enter key and it will come to next part. Now this is completely edited. Okay, her house number 15 is now edited. Again, I will go on save button and I will save it so that it cannot get lost. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now what I want to do, I want to add or delete a field. See, what are the fields name? These are my field name. Roll number, first name, last name, address, contact number, date of birth. These are the fields in which I am throwing my data. Okay. Now I wanted to add one more field. Okay. What I will be doing is I will directly click on the roll number. Okay, I will give it a right click. When I will go on right click, this dialog box has appeared. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
And now when I will click on insert field option. And I have clicked on insert field. So can you all see this field 1 is inserted, new field is inserted. Can you see? Shweta, is it
Yes,
visible?
ma'am.
Moksh, are you
Yes,
seeing it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, I have created a new field. Now I wanted to rename this field. What I will be doing, I will again click on field 1. I will right click on the field 1 and I will go on rename field. And I will give a name to this field. Suppose I have given admission number. And I will just press enter key from my keyboard. Now I wanted to drag this field. I want to move this field. I want that this admission number should come after date of birth. So what I'll do, I will click on admission number. I will keep on pressing my mouse left button and I will just drag my mouse where I wanted to. Wait. Now what I'll be doing, I will open the data sheet view. This is my data sheet view. Okay. Now I will select the field name and I will drop it to the desired location. Still not come. Wait.
चीनी वाला दे दो.
See. Now it is going to come here. See. Can you all see that admission number has came in the last now? After contact numbers, I have got admission number here.
Yes, ma'am.
What I did, I just clicked on the field name and I just dragged it while clicking on the left button of my mouse and keep on dragging to where I want to add it. Suppose now I want to add this admission number after last name. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll click on this admission number again. Now I wanted to add here. Now this admission number has came here. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it now visible? And it is now understood
Yes,
to you?
ma'am. Yes,
In the
ma'am.
same way, we can do all these things. The last part is sorting data within a table. See, we have, this is like this data is being sorted. Suppose I have sorted it like this. This is roll number instead of, this is roll number 2. Then instead of 2, I have sorted here. See, sorting can be done when I will add the data while in the form of like I have added it in the form of 2, 3, 4, and I have added it in the increasing or decreasing order. So I can see now it is in increasing order. If I would have added it in the decreasing order and I just wanted to add it in the increasing order, so what I would have done, I would have just click on the left button. Then can you see smallest to largest, sort smallest to largest, that is A to Z. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we can do, when I will click on this button, it will come smallest to largest. So the number will be coming smallest to largest. Suppose I want to add largest to smallest. Sort largest to smallest. So what I'll do, see. Now 4, 3, 2, 1 here, it comes here like this. The whole data is sorted according to decreasing order. Can you see? See, now
Yes, ma'am.
instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it is coming like 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, I wanted to sort it according to increasing order, that is from smallest to largest. I will go again, I will right click on this field number, field name, and I will click on smallest to largest. Now is it came as it was earlier. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now, Moksh, are you understanding it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I hope what I have taught is understood by both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So students, what you're going to do is now, I will be uploading the work on Unity app. Okay, the question answers you are supposed to do in your notebooks, and if you are having the books, then you have to do the back exercise. All right, I'll be giving you the back exercise and the question answers on the Unity app itself. All right, just copy down
Okay, ma'am.
your question answers, and if you're not having the book, then you have to do the book exercise in the notebook only. All right.